engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Open the tap of the negative terminal to free it and remove it. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the positive terminal. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening strap on the battery. Then push it to the side. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Screw the fastening strap back on. Start by screwing the positive terminal with a 10mm spanner. Then finish by fixing the negative terminal in place. Operation completed.